Auzubillahi minash-shaytanir-rajim. Bismillahir-rahmanir-rahim. I am your friend Mr. Sharjeel Swati from Zarat Talash. Today I will explain you from this video the 7 words. Come on, I will explain it from English. Number first, आज बहुत मजा आएगा. How do we say this word from English? Number 2, तुम बहुत अलग हो. Number 3, बारिश शुरू होगी. Number 4, तुम कहाँ थे. Number 5, तुमने क्या सोचा. Number 6, जल्दी आ जाओ. Number 7, ये कहाँ रखा है. How do we say the 7 words from English? Come on, I will explain it. Number first, आज बहुत मजा आएगा. We are say this word from Urdu. आज बहुत मजा आएगा. And how do we say this word from Pashto? Nan badera maza razi. And we are say from English. Today will be fun. Today will be fun. Number second, तुम बहुत अलग हो. तडेर बदली. You are very different. Number 3, बारिश शुरू होगी. बारान ब शुरू कीगी. And we are say this word from English. It start raining. It start raining. Number 4, तुम कहाँ थे. Tichartavi. Where were you? Where were you? Number 5, तुमने क्या सोचा. तासे सोचो को. And we are say this word from English. What did you think? What did you think? Number 6, जल्दी आ जाओ. जल्दी आ जाओ. Zarrasha. We are say this word from English. Come quickly. Come quickly. Number 7, ये कहाँ रखा है. दादी चरता के खौदे दे. Where is this kept? Where is this kept? And this last one, especially for you. You are Sammy from comments. How do we say this words from English? आज का दिन खास है. नई रोज खास था. How do we say this word from English? This is for you especially. You are say from comments with me. God protect you.